Hello YouTube, this is NC Rocks, and today I'm going to be doing a small pack opening for you guys, very small. As you can see, premium packs are in the game right now. Looking at these bundles, which I will not be pulling a bundle. Let's get into it. Okay, so we'll get over here. Goes the packs. Okay, so we're gonna spam. This is gonna be a spam pack. We're gonna spam the first player, Sam Barrington. Okay. We got Dre Archer and a pro pack. Okay, that's very good. I'll take it. Hey man, I'll take it. Okay, so we're gonna spam again. We're gonna spam again. And 77 overall. I don't want that. Okay, we're gonna do reveal all pack, and I will not be able to see what it is. And I'll look. Ooh, okay, that's good. I guess. If you guys don't know what I'm using to record, I am using QuickTime Player on a laptop on an Apple computer, and we got a Rondé Barber collectible. Let's go! That's a great pool there. Okay, 2 packs remaining, and we're gonna keep doing that behind the back pack. And so 1 final pack, and we're gonna open this slowly. Okay, and 77 overall. Hey, we pulled a Rondé Barber collectible, so that's a really good pull, I believe. Because Rondé Barber is a new Rondé Barber is a new legend. So, oops, press that accidentally. Okay, what's that? Rondé Barber. Whoops. So, Rondé Barber. Okay, so week 14, 150. Oh, bruh. Week. Really? Of course, in the front of the video. Of course. Week 14. I want 14. No. Okay. Week doesn't come up. Well, I saw it and it was 115K, so I'm gonna put this up for. I'm gonna go big. I'm gonna go with 85K and 65K. That's a good pool there. Well, anyway, guys, I will have more coins later on, and I will be able to do more sets, more videos, and everything. So, yeah, so stay tuned for more, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.